Hi guys, I'm Yanni with WTI, and these are my kids' best friends right here. These are the Melissa and Doug Seaside water toys. So you get 4 adorable water toys in this set. So as a mom, my favorite thing about these water toys is that they're super easy to remove the water from inside. I find that with most water toys, it's hard to remove the water and they end up getting really moldy and really gross inside. So these ones, they're actually really easy. As you can see, you can easily squirt all the water out and they're nice and dry inside. There's no water left. So that's my favorite feature about them. But of course, my kids don't care about that. They just love that they're fun colors, fun animals. And my little one has actually even learned all the names with these water toys. They are super cute and great quality. If you notice, the colors are beautiful. They look fantastic, just like the first day. So these are great water toys. If you're looking for some to have fun in the bath with your kids, I'm sure they're going to absolutely love them. And that is my point of view.